I at times come across these questions like, "Sir, I am very much educated, or I've done my MA in English or BA in English, and my vocabulary is good enough or fair enough, but I'm not able to speak fluently. At times, the words doesn't come out, or at times, I lose my confidence." So, there are many reasons in which a person might not be comfortable speaking in a language. So, there are a few tips which will be helping you in your fluency and to develop your vocabulary. Please keep watching. Hello dear YouTube viewers. Fluency is actually an important part in a language. To increase your confidence level, it is important that you know more number of words, or you'll have to build a strong vocabulary. How is this vocabulary possible? Let me give you an example. There's a granny at my neighborhood. She's 90 plus, but she knows only 2 words in the English language. Okay, she's not an English speaker. Her mother tongue is different. And in English, she knows only 2 vocabularies, 2 words. One is soap, the bathing soap. And another is quarantine, the word quarantine. Actually, we all did not know this word quarantine in the early years of 2019. But now, quarantine has become one of the words in each and every languages, almost in each and every languages. This granny, actually I meet her every day in the morning whenever I'm out to work. So I used to ask her, "How are you? And how is your health? Is everything all right?" A small conversation of affection. To share your affection, you got to converse with these grannies at times. So her son has arrived from Gulf country, I think. So I asked her, "Has your son arrived?" So she said, "Yes, my son has arrived." And then I asked, "Where is he? I couldn't see him." "Oh, he's in quarantine." This is what she told. Okay, my son is under quarantine. So quarantine has become a famous word, but it is an English word. Now, vocabulary keeps on changing. It is just like a fashion. How the fashion changes. Like once upon a time, during the 80s, you had the Windsor's cut. Then came the mushroom style of cutting your hair. And then came the crew cut. And then came the spikes. And then right now, it is the pineapple cut. So this is how fashion changes, Then your dress code. Everything changes. So do the vocabulary of any language. The normal English speakers, keeping maybe 500 to 1,000 words in stock, they just loiter around with the same stock and they try conversing with that limited stock. Why not explore? A language is nothing to be limited with. You got to explore. Explore different words. That's why in grammar we have been taught with synonyms. Synonyms is nothing but a word which has got other words as well. A word which can be replaced with other words. For example, if a person comes and tells you that, "Oh, it is amazing that I've seen you after a very long time." Okay, this is a normal word, amazing. It is commonly used. The word amazing is commonly used. So why to use amazing? Use something else instead, which gives almost the same meaning. So you can say that it was wonderful seeing you after a very long time. You can use the word wonderful. For example, if your cousin or any one of your relatives, he has lost weight. He used to be fat before, so now he has lost weight. So we have planned to appreciate him. Again, you use the same. I can see an amazing difference in your physique. So why again use amazing? You could use something else instead. You can say that, "Oh, there's an incredible change in your physique." Okay. So amazing has transferred into incredible. You can use incredible instead of using amazing. So the first word was wonderful. Okay. And the second is incredible. Next, now if your friend goes for purchasing a cloth which suits him, maybe there's a function or something and he wants to buy something special to wear. He wants you to accompany him. And then he tries wearing different outfits. You select one and you say that, "Oh, this is amazing." Or you say that this dress is amazing for you. No, you don't require to say amazing that. Say that this is really astounding. Astounding is another word which you can use. So try using these kind of different words. Alright? Don't just stick into the same old vocabulary what you have already learned and you're already using. Please explore. Come out of your limitation. Come out of the box. Learn different words. And how you could learn it? Watch few English movies. Watch few English web series. Read good books. Read newspaper. See the words, the different words which you don't know. Try to know the meaning. Refer to the dictionary. Know the meaning and go ahead. Start using it in your sentences. Okay. So this is the way how you can build up or develop your vocabulary skills. In order to be fluent, And in order to build confidence, at times you'll not be the same always. There might be a better chance or a better opportunity which knocks at your door. At that time, your language shouldn't be a bar. Not all the time people around the world will be speaking the language or using the vocabulary what you are familiar with. They might be using something else just to show their potential over the English language. Why not you compete with them? Try compete. Come to their level or come more ahead than their level. It is alright. Keep practicing, read a lot and try speaking it out. Try using it in sentence. And moreover, please try and think in English. That is more important because there are few people, they actually try to think in their native language and then translate it to English. Native language can't match with English at times. It would create a drastic error when the grammatical part is concerned. So always try to think in English. Develop your reading skill. Keep reading, as I've told you earlier. Keep watching news or the web series. Read good books in English. Try to grasp new vocabulary from different objectives wherever available. Whether you take newspaper or whether you take books or whether you watch web series or whether you watch a beautiful serials in English, your fluency will develop by then. So it is not a one-day process. It takes its own time. You'll have to strive. And once done, then you don't have to strive anymore. Okay? It will help you out for your career. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care. See you next time in a better video.